All right, that's what I'm going to be working on today. We're going to put together my brand new topside creeper. So let me open the box so we can see what we have in here, and then I'll read the instructions on how to put it together. All right, I opened the box and this is how it was in there. I'm guessing that I need to get into the brown cardboard box to get to the hardware. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm sure the hardware's also got the instructions, so that's my first stop. All right, let's open this box, see what we have in here in the way of hardware, and hopefully instructions. All right, that's some kind of bag to put parts in. Instructions, that's what I need to go in and read. And then some pieces, parts. We got wheels, hardware. All right, so there's what comes in the hardware box. And I'm gonna go read the instructions, and that way I know what I'm doing when I put this thing together. That's what we got in the box. All right, so I took everything out of the box. I put it out here, laid it out, and it said the first thing to do is to assemble the base. So I'm gonna do that. There's part of the base and then the two legs. So I'm gonna put you on time lapse while I put this together so you can see. According to the manual, I need an 18mm wrench, 8mm socket, 6mm wrench, and a Phillips screwdriver. So that's what it says you need to assemble it. So here we go. Just taking a minute to tell you that you need a 19, not an 18, so the directions are a little off. So I got it put together, and the instructions were a little off with the size of the wrenches, but I needed a Phillips, a 13mm, a 10mm, and a 19mm for all the different nuts and bolts on this. So as you can see, it was pretty simple to put together. Everything was here, and I'm gonna go try it out and see how it works with my truck now, which is the whole purpose of this, is to make it easier to work on my vehicle. So let's go over there and try it out on the truck. All right, I'm not actually doing anything. I just want to see how well this works. I got the brakes locked, and as you can tell, I'm a big boy, so I want to see how sturdy this will be with me up here flitting around. So here we are. Man, it seems to be working pretty good because I can get to everything now. So altogether, I think this is a win. So if you're looking for one of these to help you do your maintenance, I think this one's the one.